Guys, do you want to write like this, like me, without any aid of the question and answer, all of things? So you are welcome in this video. So this time we're gonna be making the same thing which is here. So actually we're gonna be making a writer which is gonna be writing the things which is input through our keyboard. And actually it is also using with working spaces. Okay, you all have seen we have spaces and all of those things. Actually this is not quite readable because I haven't paid much attention of how the text looks like. I just made it. So if you want to do that, just understand the code and do it. That's it. Well, I'm going to be making this video very short because I'm going to be making in just 10 minutes, okay? Or less than 10 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So actually the code is this much big, with just this much. But don't, no, 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 don't worry. I've just copy pasted this. I mean, I've just made one code and duplicated it. Nothing else. Okay, so you don't need to worry. So that it's actually 26 individual blocks of code because we have 26 alphabets. And that's all. So what you need to do is go and create a new project. And then after that, remove the contents of this sprite. And then after that, I will tell you what to do. And I don't have to waste time. So I will skip it till then, and you don't go anywhere. I'm sorry. Okay, you don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. And so there we go, guys. You need to make just till like A to Z. I just made till then because I don't want to waste time on all of these things. Okay, and after that, what you need to do is, well, change all of these costumes name. Okay. Um, I'll be right back. So guys, you need to do. Mm, so guys, what you need to do is like you just need to like just renamed everything. Okay. Now let's get back to the main thing. That's the code. I think I missed one thing. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. Okay, I'm not even duplicating. That won't take much time. Let me tell you. So first of all, what you need to make is you need to create an underscore, and then put that, and then restore to the center. Make sure all the text are in center so that it won't do any harm. And I will rename this as cursor. Okay, and I will put this at first. Okay, this. Okay, come on, this won't take much time. I mean, I already have a lot of costumes in here. Okay, so let's get back to the real work. Okay, I forgot something. Just a minute. Okay, so I've done that. And now let's get back to the real code. So one thing to check. Okay. Well, yeah, my recorder is working fine. That is all. So actually now I'm gonna just do this. And the coordination supposed to be x 200, I mean negative 200 and y 0. Okay. Just this much, nothing else. And then switch costume to cursor because that will be the only one left here, and go to x 200 y 0. Switch costume to cursor because that will be our cursor, and this will look like as if we are writing. Instead of that line, I've put a hyphen in, or we call it underscore over here, so that we can use it in a good way. Well, okay. Um, let's create a forever loop and then create an if statement, and make sure the pen one is actually, and we are going to be using pen in here. And if in case you don't see the pen one here and you are like used to that Scratch 2.0 earlier version, just go in here. That's the extension tab, and here, there you go, you have the pen over here. Okay, this add extension one. So let's get back to the work. Key space, I mean not key space, I mean not space. Okay, we want a key a pressed. If key a pressed, then okay, then what we're gonna do is switch costume to the letter A. That's why we renamed all of this. And then yeah, in the pen one we need to stamp it, and then again switch costume to cursor, and then change X by 10. That's all you need to do. Let's check. That works. Yeah, that works. You can see that in here. But yeah, you need to also do something else here. Wait until, and in operators, not and not key is pressed. Just this much code, I mean not this much, you need to duplicate this code into the other sections, and you need to put it as B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and all of the other alphabets. But wait, here's something more in here. Let me tell you something like how did I put that space key in here. Okay, let me tell you how do we put that space thing in here. Well, actually we don't need in space, we don't need we actually don't need to switch costume to any letters, so we will remove that thing. Okay, and we don't even need stamp. I mean, we don't need to stamp anything, so we will remove that. So what you need to do is switch costume to cursor, change X by 10, and then wait until not key space is pressed. So change the keys, and that's all you need to do. Let me show you. Okay, we also have something in missing in here. Like, we also have something missing. But this area is all in here. Yeah. Okay. So now, wait a minute. I think that will work. Okay. Look at that, the spaces are also included, and you can even duplicate it, and we can even check it out. Should I show you to duplicate it? I mean, in case you all know how to duplicate it. So that's all for today. Just duplicate all of that, make it till Z, and then you're all good in there. But yeah, that's called completed. And actually, if you want something else, and if you have any doubts, then comment me in this video. And one more thing, I just made this till N. You have to make this till Z. Okay? And this costume number in here, the Z costume number will be 27. Why not 26? Because the first one is already taken by the cursor. Poor Z. Okay, anyway. Well, it's my time to go. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.